Airplane lands on runway occupied. Near tragedy in San Francisco.
Air Canada 781, go around.
ATC advises Air Canada to go around.
Air Canada 781, go around.
Pilots fail to acknowledge, despite traffic on the
Air
runway.
Canada 781, go around. Air Canada 781, go around. United 2065 without delay, cross clear left center ground point 8. Without delay, please. Traffic company 2 mile final and they're fast.
Yeah, we're moving to
Air Canada 781, tower. Air Canada 781, tower.
How could this happen?
Yeah, Air Canada 781 pulling right here.
That's pretty evident. Air Canada 781, pull all the way up to the southwest. Get as close as you can and hold short of runway 28 left. Air Canada 781.